1992 Jordan 7 Cardinals is what we're working on today. This is going to be an awesome video. I've never worked on a pair of the Cardinal 7s, so sit back, relax, get what you need to get right, and follow along with me as I bring these back to life. Thank you for stopping in. I hope you enjoy the video. All that old, well, it was an air unit, it's crumbled. The reason why it crumbled is because the air units were polyurethane back then. Outline of the midsole, as you can see, is still intact. That is because it's Phylon, or EVA foam is what we can call it. And this is a material that's never going to crumble nor crack. That's why it's still intact. We're going to have to make our own air unit using EVA foam, so it's never going to crumble or crack on the client, and it's gonna feel like a memory foam cloud when he walks in them. So let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's go.
The way you're moving me, I've been thinking about you day and night. I can't get enough. Oh, nah. I can't lie, I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my sweet Madeline. You're the reason why I'm waking up smiling. Oh, my sweet Madeline, your name is written all over my heart. I can't stop, yeah. I wanna be the one to hold you close, 'cause you're the only one I'm dreaming of. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Tell me, do you feel the way I do? 'Cause I only wanna ride with you. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. Yeah. The things you do to me, I can't escape it. The air that I breathe even speaks of you. Yeah. Oh, I can't lie, I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my sweet Madeline. You're the reason why I'm waking up smiling. Oh, my sweet Madeline, your name is written all over my heart. No, I can't stop. So I'm not giving you up. No, I give you all that I got. Oh, I confess.
Alright, prep work is done, and this is where I really have to lock in. I do not want any glue spilling onto the uppers, because once it dries, those glue lines are there for good. I'm using Barge Super Stick Cement for this reglue with a flathead paintbrush to lay it down smooth and controlled. And if you're watching this to learn, here's a quick pro tip from me. Do not glob the glue on. Light, even layers are what gives you the cleanest look and the strongest bond. So now, I'm going to take my time with this and see if I can keep every bit of glue off of the parts I don't want it touching. Let's see if I can make it happen.
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations, I will be a lifeline. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the moves, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to...
The glue work came out flawless, honestly even better than I expected. The re-glue's going great, but before I bond the uppers back down, there's one important thing we need to fix. If I leave these air units empty, my client would basically be walking in airless Jordans. And when they're called Air Jordans, that defeats the whole purpose, right? So I'm filling them with EVA replacement foam. This is the same material that runs through the outline of the midsole. It will not crumble, it will not crack. It gives lasting comfort, like I talked about at the beginning of the video. I've done a couple pairs for this client already, and he loves how the EVA feels. He can wear them confidently at all times. And for me, it's not just about making the shoes look good in a photo or video. It's obviously about making sure they feel good every single time they hit the ground.
I melt in your hands, soaked in sweat when we dance. I fall to my knees, baby.
All right, so we've got these guys all done. This restoration was awesome. I want you guys to let me know what you thought about them in the comments, what you thought about the restoration, the work, the video, everything. Let me know what you guys think. For those who don't know, my name is Marcus. I want to put that out there. Maybe some of you already know that. I'm not sure if I said that in any of these videos, but my name is Marcus. I'm located in Buffalo, New York, too. If you guys are interested in getting any of your shoes restored, send me an email, send me a text message, send me an Instagram DM. I'll pop up all the links and ways to contact me. You can check the description of this video, and then my bio too will have all ways to contact me to place a restoration and get your shoes restored. Now, I want to be completely transparent. I'm one person doing all of this right now, which is completely okay. Everyone starts somewhere, and I plan to one day have a team, but right now I handle all the YouTube editing videos, all the Instagram editing videos. I message back all clients, I work on all the shoes, I'm the customer support 24/7, I'm the shipping person, the label maker, the packer, and everything else and above. So I appreciate everyone's patience with my replies. I really do want to work with all of you. It just may take me a little bit of time to get back to you, but I will do my absolute best. And that is about all I have to say. So let's take a look at these, compare them to the befores, and get out of here. Woo! Woo!
Look, I just been keeping my poise. Made by the million, but still unemployed. They text me about green, but not on Android. She not my shawty, she filling the void. I make the sounds that cut through the noise. He think he a man, but he chillin' with boys. Put down the liquor, start drinking LaCroix. The pain wasn't choice, but now I rejoice. My uncle had told me that I was the one. I played the shit smart, now my bragging and dumb. Lil' shawty had hit me, said she wanna come. Her dresses is black, but she not a nun. I'm so Pasadena, cause that's where I'm from.
Hope you guys enjoyed the rest. I hope you guys enjoy the video and the rest of your day. And see you in the next video. I'll see you over there, because I'll be there. You better be there.
They scheming for riches, they playing it numb. I'm second, I wins, cause I'm second to none.